Professor Shuai, from where are you from?
So my name is Jigan Shuai from Tsinghua University.
Oh, hello, I'm Jess Lee. I would like to check with you, what do you think about the symposium so far?
So far so good.
So
actually, I mean, by accident, I initiated this symposium actually. That's precisely 1 year ago when we held Chinese Chemical Society annual meetings in Xiamen last June. Then the German Chemical Society contacted me to talk about the possibility to work together, Chinese Chemical Society and the German Chemical Societies. Then have 3 Nobel laureates. So actually, apart from as a professor, I also work for the Chinese Chemical Society for the international activities. So I think it's a very good idea. Firstly, we know that 2011 is the International Year of Chemistry, and we certainly would like to have an opportunity to increase the public appreciation of chemistry for the public. So then, of course, the Nobel laureates come here, and secondly, I would say we know that the global challenges for the human beings, let's say, in energies or climate change. We know that we think that the chemistry actually is at the heart to provide eventual solutions to these problems. And my perception for this symposium is that we have invited really the highest level scientists from the world. That we can, from their presentation, we see that the chemistry can do a lot of things, providing new, for instance, new compounds, new processes, which would eventually lead to solve the energy problems and also for the health of the human beings. And so. For the last year, actually, I worked very closely with the German Chemical Societies.
Okay. Thank you, Professor Shuai.
Yeah.